Cleaning your air conditioner is important for maintaining its efficiency and preventing the buildup of dust, dirt, and mold that can compromise the quality of the air you breathe. Here are some steps to follow when cleaning your air conditioner. Turn off the power to the unit. Before cleaning your air conditioner, make sure to turn off the power supply to the unit. You can do this by either unplugging it or shutting off the circuit breaker. Remove the air filter. Most air conditioners have a removable air filter that needs to be cleaned regularly. To remove the filter, locate the filter compartment on the front or side of the unit and slide it out. If the filter is washable, rinse it with warm water and let it air dry before replacing it. If the filter is disposable, replace it with a new one. Clean the evaporator coils. The evaporator coils are responsible for cooling the air that passes through the unit. Over time, they can become coated with dust and dirt, which can reduce their efficiency. To clean them, use a soft brush to gently remove any debris, and then use a coil cleaner to dissolve any stubborn dirt or grime. Follow the instructions on the cleaner carefully, and then rinse the coils with water. Clean the condenser coils. The condenser coils are located outside of the unit and are responsible for releasing the heat that has been absorbed from the air. They can become coated with debris, which can reduce their efficiency. To clean them, use a soft brush to gently remove any debris, and then use a coil cleaner to dissolve any stubborn dirt or grime. Follow the instructions on the cleaner carefully, and then rinse the coils with water. Clean the fins. The fins are located on the outside of the unit and are responsible for directing the flow of air. Over time, they can become bent or clogged with debris, which can reduce the airflow. To clean them, use a soft brush to gently remove any debris, and then use a fin comb to straighten any bent fins. Reassemble the unit. Once you have cleaned all the parts of the unit, reassemble it and turn the power back on. Test the air conditioner to make sure it is working properly. Regular cleaning of your air conditioner can help maintain its efficiency and prolong its lifespan. It is recommended to clean the air conditioner at least once a year or more frequently if it is used heavily.